When you need to make collaboration more effective, apps help you customize, simplify, and optimize your work in Microsoft Teams. Bring apps into the flow of your work with familiar ones that you know and love, or newer ones to help your team streamline processes, increase productivity, and achieve more together. Start exploring apps on the left side of Teams, where you'll find hundreds of options across different functions and industries to help you and your colleagues stay focused and organized. There are 3 main areas where you can add an app in Teams: in a chat, where you can take action directly in a conversation; a channel, to share content and keep the team informed; or a meeting, where you can drive real-time collaboration as you come together. Here's how you can use and integrate apps in Teams. When you're in a chat, make it easy for people to take action on the spot. For example, create an approval request by inserting an app into the conversation. Just add the request directly into your reply. For quick access to an app, search for, choose, and add it as a tab. When you're working in a channel, integrate a project management app or any other app to keep everyone on track. And just like a chat, you can add it as a tab or insert it into your conversation. Added apps are easily accessible for everyone, while app notifications help people stay up to date. When you're in a meeting, make it more interactive by adding an app while you're all together. Facilitate live brainstorming or whiteboarding with your team, or send out surveys and polls to encourage real-time collaboration and ideas. Apps are tailored to fit how you work in teams, so everyone can make something great happen together.